Hello, welcome to the video diary for fitting solar systems to our building here at Fireco. You can see the building behind us. It's the beginning of the project and we've got the scaffolders in this morning. I say it's the beginning of the project, it's actually a few months in really, because we've had to go through the tender process and decided the contractors we're using is AJ Taylor Electrical Contractors, the local firm. And we've also had to go through the grant application process. We're using a company called Brighton Energy Cooperative, and they're really useful, really good, giving us advice on what to ask, what to check for, what system to go for. It's a 32 kilowatt solar system that we're going to put in. So that's 77 panels that's going to go up on the roof. You can see the building behind me. Right, scaffold's up. As you can see, it's got guardrails kind of all around the edge to give the protection. Now we're up here, you can see the size of this flat roof. It's like about 20 meters across, so you can see how it's perfect for the panels. And as you can see behind me, that's the sea. We're south facing, so absolutely ideal for putting a load of panels on. Obviously, before we could do this, we had to get a structural roof survey done for wind and load, because the panels themselves, they're not fixed down into the roof. It's on like a clever mounting system, but the mounting needs some kind of ballast, some kind of weight to hold the panels down. And the advantage of that is you don't have to penetrate into the flat roof, so it avoids any kind of future leakages or anything like that. So yeah, it's quite exciting. We've got their scaffold up, so now we're waiting a few days for AJ Taylors to come with their engineers and start the work. As I was saying, that the sun's just come out, so you can see the energy we're going to hopefully produce up here.